Hello guys. Welcome to a new live stream. Welcome to a new 2 hours at least live stream where we're gonna do a lot of things today. Let me let me just open my trading view and also my LBank account. So guys, I don't know how much of you guys know, but right now the World Cup is on, and I managed to do. If you are following me on my Telegram and on my YouTube, guys, I managed to do uh, from $5, $23 only by winning with the draw and Spain with Cape Green. Yesterday, a great game, a great story, everything. I managed to make 30 $23 only by risking $1. And yeah, it's great. I win like a lot of games after World Cup it started. So yeah, for those of you who don't know, on LBank right now we have prediction market. We can predict a lot of stuff about political, about you know, uh, also a lot about a lot of stuff like this one. Fed rate cuts, World Cup winner, will SpaceX valuation hit by June? A lot of prediction. Taylor Swift and Travis Kelce will be married by everything. So we can do a lot of prediction here. So I think it's crazy, and I also think that we can earn a lot of money. We can earn a lot of money. Also, I think we have here this great uh, prediction to put on who will win the group. So if you are putting like $10 here, you can make like $5 on Mexico. Yeah, I also think that Mexico will win, but also South Korea has the chances to win. So we will see Mexico versus South Korea who will win. I watch almost every game of this tournament, so we will see World Cup nation to reach final. A lot of predictions here. France, Brazil, Morocco, USA. Who, if you are betting and you know how to do, who will win, who will reach finals. I think there are some great bets to do here also, but let's see what we're gonna do today, guys. Today we're gonna watch the market bias and we will try to find some trades on Solana or some other altcoins, also Bitcoin, and we will see from there. I will try to trade the New York Open, and after that, after trading the New York Open, guys, we will go on LBank and start to predict something here because I want to predict the games, today games, and also I wanted to show you guys how I find a strategy on how you can bet on this World Cup. And this strategy, if you can see here, it generated me some kind of money. Yeah, I risk less money, but you can see here I have some bets or on a Algeria win or a draw and on a France Senegal draw. I win some money, if you can see here. So also Belgium versus Egypt was a win for me because I bet $1 on the draw and it was a very good prediction. So yeah, I think this is a great way to predict the World Cup. Also, I lost on Iran versus New Zealand. I was betting on Iran here. So yeah, I lost here. Loss. It was like 2-2, right? Was 2-2. Yeah, so we have like four losers and 6 winners. Yeah, this is crazy. We have 4 losers and 6 winners. So guys, this is crazy. Crazy stuff. So we will try to make more money in the future with this prediction market. But first, let's start to trade and let's make some money by trading. I will put some money on the I will transfer like $50 here on the future account. Perfect. So let's go to futures on Solana and let's see what we can find there. Also, I will in 2-3 minutes let's speak about the bias of the market, in my opinion, because I told you guys that we need to have patience for us to get a bias. We need to have patience. We need to Okay, so yeah, perfect. We need to have patience. I told you guys that right now Bitcoin was in a support zone, and I told you guys if we retest this and we have power and we can continue to this and make a break of structure here, yeah, the bias is short, very short, and we can go and find another short. But if market stabilizes at this level here and we break, we can do a fake out here, and maybe we can have, if we break also this value area high here, we can also uh, if we are seeing buyers step up aggressively in the market, we can see a fake out here, and then the the market can catch a lot of power and can go and retest again this resistance here. But until that level is broken, this level is broken, we could not make more predictions. We need to see that buyers are stepping into the market. We need to see that this is not just a retest, because if it's just a retest here on this level or of this level, we can have a lot of we can have a continuation in a downtrend. So this is my vision right now, guys. My vision is that if we could continue bullish, but we need to have like some 1-2 weeks bullishness. We need to break out this one. If not, in my opinion, we are still in a bearish trend right now. In a how can I say, not bull market, bear market. So yeah, this is my prediction on Bitcoin. Let's see also the dominance, Bitcoin dominance. Where is it? It was like here. Yeah, it was like here. We will go Solana first and watch. Let's see, it's everything is right now. It's working. Yeah, so Solana is looking pretty weak right now. Why? Because as you can see here, we are below this support zone here. So it seems like a retest and then a continuation to the downtrend. We also have this level here, something like this. So we need to break this one for us to have more momentum, more power. So the buyer still needs to continue to enter the market. The buyers are still need to follow up on this move, and we need to see some buyers. I didn't buy at this level, also neither at Bitcoin. Why? Because I wanted to buy Bitcoin below 55 or 59, and I didn't have. I stayed out of market because of that. I want to see the retest because this is an area with low volume node. So I want to see the retested value area low on Solana, and also the retest of POC here, the point of control. This is the big resistance. If we break this, yes, we have the power to do the fake out and then to continue uptrend, to continue long. But if we don't break these two levels, I don't think so. So we will see. For today, let's see if we can find some trades in the market. I will mark this out here. Also this one. Also, I want to see the 4-hour to see if we can find here something. What a great trade to trade here, guys. What a great trade to trade here. I'm curious on what session it was that this kind of trade. So it was New York PM here. What a great session to trade, guys. It was like until this level, it was like 25 there. Crazy stuff here. also increased. This looks like a double bottom here. Looks very good. The short sellers dominate the move. A retest here again. Let's mark out the 4-hour candle. This one is the 4-hour candle. Let's mark out the open. So what I want to see, guys, I want to see a breakout like this. Either a breakout in this direction, uptrend, retest, and then I want to see volume, or a downtrend breakout, retest, and then volume. So these are my scenarios. I also want to look a bit about look how great it was retest from this resistance here. Very good retest. I also want to mark out this one. This is value area low. So we have here the value area high. Support here. we need to wait, guys, right now. So in this time when we are waiting here, let's put some alerts here. Let's put here some alerts. So we put the alerts. So let's watch a bit the prediction markets here. What I want to do here, I also want to put $2 on Senegal here. Maybe $1 is enough. $2. Yeah, I'll put $2 on Senegal. So my last 4 bets is on Senegal, on a draw, on Algeria, and on a draw. These are my bets, guys. So yeah. Also, I want to okay. World Cup nation to reach final. Also here, World Cup nation to reach final here. England, Spain, Norway, Portugal, Brazil, Germany, Netherlands, Morocco, Mexico, USA. I will put on USA $10 that they were gonna reach finals. I will put also on Uruguay, Croatia, Switzerland, Senegal, Ecuador, Ivory Coast, Scotland, Canada, Ghana, South Africa, Norway, no, Netherlands, Norway here. So there are 2 Norways here. I think this is a bug here. So I will put also on Germany $10. The Germany or USA will reach finals. I think they are good teams, both of them. Also, the winner is hard to say the winner, but I think it's more smart to bet on what team will reach finals. But I want World Cup Golden Boost. World Cup Golden Boost. Yeah, this is hard. I think there are 50 football players, so this is hard to tell here. This is crazy. Presidential elections winner Taylor Swift and Travis Kelce get married. Will Neymar play in 2026? I think he will play, but I will not bet on that. SpaceX evaluation. World Cup winner here. France has the first chance. Then Spain. Germany has like 6%. USA has 2%. But yeah. Also, I want to clear here the matchups and put here the next matchups that there will be. I want to put the next matchups here. So yeah, let's see. World Cup schedule. Solana is still consolidating here. Let's see the World Cup schedule here. I've a lot of draws. A lot of draws. The last 4 games was a draw. So France versus Senegal is the first one. Let's put the first game. France versus Senegal. What is Flash Futures here? Oh, so a lot of yeah, not something that I like here. Let's put the favorites. France versus Senegal. This is the first game. The second game, where is the second game? Iraq versus Norway. The second game. Iraq versus Norway. Where is it? Iraq, Norway. Argentina, Algeria. I put on Algeria or a draw. Why? Because I think, guys, the favorites in the first game, they are a bit shaky. I don't think the favorites win in the first match. So I can also put on Congo, but I think Portugal will win. I want to see the Congo game. So it doesn't work at all the games. I put a draw on Spain versus Cape Green, but I didn't put on Germany draw because I thought that Germany will win. But I didn't also bet on Germany. Why? Because they were too much of a favorites. So why to risk $100 to make 5, as you can risk $1 to make 13, putting on a draw, putting on the team that is the underdog, but also it's a good team. Let's see Congo matchups here. Okay, they did 0-0 with they beat Jamaica. Jamaica, I don't think it's a good team. Okay, they play with some stupid teams here, but stupid. Don't get me wrong. With they play with some American teams, African teams, and the African are a bit with football a bit. But look, they let Nigeria home. So yeah, I think it can be a great bet to bet on Congo on a draw or maybe on winner. We don't have what to lose. I bet like $1, so I think I will also bet on this game. Okay, not on Brazil versus Haiti. In my opinion, this is like obvious that Brazil will win. Depends on the team and depends on the vibe of the game and everything. But yeah, let's see the next matchups. Colombia versus Congo. Not, I don't think this is. Okay. Portugal versus Congo. England versus Croatia. Also, I will put on a bet. Austria versus Jordan is not interesting. I think Austria will win. I don't think this would be a draw here. I can also watch it, Jordan games. But yeah. Also, they play at 7 in the morning, so it's not an advantage the Europeans. Ooh, so Jordan beat Egypt 3-0. What? Okay, they beat Egypt 3-0. Egypt looked good yesterday. So yeah, Egypt looked good, but Austria versus Jordan here. Let's see the next matchups. Austria, Jordan, Portugal, Congo, England, Croatia. England, Croatia, and this is the last game. Ghana, Panama, or no, Uzbekistan, Colombia is the last. So yeah, I will put England, Croatia also. England, Croatia here. And, Ghana, Panama, and Uzbekistan, Colombia. Panama. Ghana, Panama, let's see. I'm not seeing the game. This one. And Colombia, Uzbekistan. This one. So yeah, let's see here. These are the next matchups. So today will be France with Senegal. I bet on Senegal on a draw. Norway with Iraq. It doesn't make sense to bet on Norway. Argentina with Algeria. I bet on Algeria on a draw. Draw. Congo, Portugal. Yeah, I think I don't have what to lose if I'm betting on Congo here or maybe a draw. England versus Croatia, this is a draw. I'm betting like $2 on a draw. Yeah, so I'm not betting a lot of money, as you can see, guys. I'm betting a bit of money, but with this kind of strategy, I did some money. So this is exactly what I will continue to do. Congo and Portugal, Ghana, Panama, Uzbekistan, Colombia. It doesn't make sense here too. I can bet $1 on a draw here. Not on Ghana, sorry. Not on Ghana. I need to delete this. But I need to watch them. I'm not want to I don't want to rush here. I need to watch the Panama and the Ghana team before to do that. But Congo with Portugal, I think I can bet $1 on a draw. So look guys, we can do $5 with only $1. So this is very good. Yeah, so these are the next matchups. I also watch Solana because I'm looking to enter or on a short, but I need to have a bit patience for the retest. I also watch. So I want to see what happened here. If we break, this was not a retest. If we break here, I think I can start with a short here. But first we need to break that level. So yeah. Yeah, so these are my prediction, guys, on World Cup. My prediction are the underdogs. So USA, Germany reach final, but I will add up more based on what the teams plays, because I try to watch every single game or the game that I can see. But this kind of matchups, the first matchups until now, the Germany and USA impressed me the most. I bet on Algeria on a draw with Argentina also. I bet on Senegal on a draw with France. Draw Portugal Congo. Draw Croatia Argentina. These are my bets here. Also want to screenshot this. So let's see, we break. So I'm expecting the retest, and we could try to find some trade here. Let's see. Okay, so we have some indicators here. I want to delete them. Also here. Let's see if it's make right now. No. Doesn't work. Let's see why it doesn't work. Wait a bit, guys. I want to see why it doesn't work to with the indicator. So wait a second, guys. Guys, so I did get logged out. This is the reason why I couldn't short this trade here. It was a good trade, but we got logged out. Also error that we couldn't calculate. I don't know what this one is, doesn't work. But I don't have to. Why? Trading this to my friends. Guys, I'm so mad that I can short this move. I'm so mad, guys, because I can short this move. Come on. I should have shorted from this level, but I got logged out and I don't have right now the phone to connect, so this is crazy. Come on, let me try to do that. Șase, cinci, șapte, doi, patru. Bine. Da, sunt bine. Guys, I did get the code, so let's see. Mai sunt 40 de secunde. N-am auzit. Da? Da. Yeah, so right now it should work. Let's see, guys. I did miss that one, but yeah, this is the markets. This is like happening in the market, so yeah. I would want to transfer some money to trade on this account. Let me put Guys, so we missed that entry. It is what it is. Let's see if we can continue to trade. If we can find like a retest here in the value area low here, because we missed that entry, and I'm a bit frustrated, but it is what it is, guys. I wanted to trade on other account. I send the fund doesn't arrive. I got disconnected. So problems like this, we need to have patience and see what happens. Yeah, let's do mark out again the next matchups. There are crazy matchups in today and tomorrow, so let's see World Cup schedule, and let's mark out all these matchups here on this account. So let's find some France and Senegal marked out. Iraq, Norway. Look here. Argentina, Algeria. Look it here. Austria, Jordan. Portugal, Congo. Here. England, Croatia. Look it here. Ghana, Panama. Uzbekistan, Colombia. These are the games, and let's see some predictions. World Cup Group C winner. I will mark out this one too. Noble World Cup Golden Boot winner. World Cup Group A winner. World Cup Nation to reach final. And World Cup D winner. Where is the World Cup winner? You can also predict the World Cup winner, but I can't find it here. World Cup boot winner. World Cup nation to reach final. What continent will win? Okay, so I don't find it here. Let's see if I find it here. Taylor Swift. Yeah, so it's not here also.